Okay, well, here, guys, I had to flip. Sorry, there's going to be 2 videos of that. Because we had to flip the camera. That's the one bad thing about having a S6, yeah. So,
I'm lighting this right out here. Dad, I'm lighting it right here.
okay, here we go, guys.
Dad,
Bye.
I'm lighting it.
Okay,
Yeah, bro, you better get back. Scylla, get over there.
okay, here we go.
Get over there. Yes.
Here we guys go. Sissy,
Grab this.
Scylla, come on. Sissy, back here. Come on, come into the camera.
End that video and start it again later.
Okay, we're lighting it right now.
No, we don't want to do it.
Sissy, get over.
No, I'm not about to get in the way.
Here we go.
Oh, it's that kind of happening.
Watch out, Sissy. Oh God, that scared me. Well, there was our video of lighting a firecracker. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.